How do you buy your first real estate investment property today?
So buying a property, there are two parts of it. It's either you buy with your heart or you buy with your head. Right? Right? But once you've done your homework, you'll be able to minimize the pumping of your heart. Right? And then you go with your head. There's still going to be the heart that says that one but the thing is you buying to make money. Right? So even if you're buying for yourself, you ask yourself the question, if I lose my job today, can I pack my stuff, go stay somewhere, live with my family, and I don't lose that property? When I find my feet, I can come back into that property. Right? And if you've done your proper research, it means that your rentals will always pay the bond with some change in your pocket. Because remember, we break even. If you're a legacy builder, you break even. There's no money, there's nothing like I'm going to put in 100. You break even. Amen. That's what we're here for. We're not here to lose money. We're here to break even. When you've lost money, you've broken even. Because you heard in the video, the most important thing is the preservation of the capital, which is the money you started with. So you break even. You need to have a burning desire to do things. So once you've done that, you need to screen tenants. A lot of people, we used to do that on face value basis. Or somebody called me, oh yeah, I like that voice. Yeah, he sounds like a good person. You put that person there. Months later, the guy didn't pay. They mess up your units. It's a mess. So once you've done your research, you know the target market that you want to get into. Once you know your target market, you know the kind of income bracket you want to get into. You know certain income bracket comes with certain responsibilities. You know that if a guy is getting X amount of money and they're staying there, they live with certain pride. Yes, there's 1% or 2% that's going to mess up. It's okay, but it's better to have 98% doing better things than to have the reverse. So people say, yeah, no, I want to stay here, I want to do it here because it's cheap. Yeah, cheap is expensive. Cheap is very expensive. So you need to think about all of those before you put your money to work, because it's very hard. That money, when you lose that money, you are 10 years behind. My dad always says, you cut your cloth according to your size. Exactly. Right? So start where you can afford. Don't choke yourself. Property game or business game or life in general, it's about minding your own business. Stay in your track. Compete with yourself. How do you compete with yourself? You compete with your target. If my target this year is for me to have 5 properties, then that's the target. At the end of the year, did I get that 5 properties? It's not Itombi bought 10 properties. I don't know how Itombi gets 10 properties. I just know how Ekow can get that 5 properties. So every year you set a target.
Be a legacy builder and don't forget to subscribe.
Cheers.